Machines are going to fail. And the system's going to fail. And
then what?
Then survival. Who has the ability to survive? That's the game. Survive.
And you can't wait for it to happen, can you? You can't wait for it. Well, the system's done all right by me.
Oh, yeah. You got a nice job. Got a nice house. Nice wife. Nice kid.
You make that sound rather shitty, Louis.
Why do you go on these trips with me, Ed?
I like my life, Louis.
Yeah, but why do you go on these trips with me?
You know, sometimes I wonder about that.